Imagine this: going out for the day, hiking through the huge forest of trees, soaking in the sun that peeks through the canopy of leaves, the sounds of the wind and animals that surround you. Growing up, this is what it was like when my dad took me hunting locally here in Kentucky. Now imagine this: a totally different environment. Pines and oaks taking over the hills, trees and plants slowly dissipating, and with it, animals too. This is what global warming is capable of doing. Global warming is an urgent issue that needs to be addressed. We can stop it by cutting our emissions, reducing our energy consumption, and reducing our waste. I was constantly familiarized with global warming going through high school. It has kept my attention on the earth and what the future holds here. With this, it has helped me to recognize global warming. Through hunting, I was able to see the consequences firsthand, how the planet has been affected, and also the animals. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, if we do not cut our carbon emissions to net zero by 2050, we will have dangerous and potentially catastrophic consequences from global warming. Please listen, because this could determine the fate of our planet. Now, one way to combat global warming is to cut carbon emissions. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, driving reduced emission cars can reduce carbon by 570 million tons. Reduced emission cars are not only good for reducing CO2, but are also good at reducing gas mileage. This is beneficial for the environment and also you, the consumer, since you save money with better gas mileage. Another way to cut your carbon emissions is by using public transportation. Considering public transportation or ride-sharing saves somewhere around 0.36 pounds of CO2 per passenger. This is a simple solution for people with short commutes. Just by a simple ride-sharing with 4 people in a car, you save a pound of CO2 and could even save more by taking the bus. Cutting emissions can help save the planet and save money too. Another way to assist in stopping the impact of global warming is to reduce energy consumption. A way to achieve this is using geothermal HVAC units. This is a special HVAC unit that sends air through a piping system underground, which is then heated or cooled. Yoder geothermal drilling found that it saves around 5.8 million tons of CO2 annually and saves money by not relying on gas. You can also go even further by switching your lights to LED. By doing this, you can save about 0.8 tons of CO2 in one household annually, according to the Asian Productivity Organization research. This is also another cost-effective switch by using less electric to fuel the light. One of the easiest ways to reduce the effects of global warming is to reduce waste. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, if we reduce the waste nationally by 5%, we can reduce our CO2 emissions by 10.2 million tons. A minute change that makes an impact. With reducing waste, we can recycle more. By recycling, we reduce our landfill size, also give an opportunity to make new items with recycled material. According to North Carolina Environmental Quality, you reduce CO2 because it takes 95% less fuel to make cans from recycled instead of raw aluminum. This is just a simple favor to the environment. So if you cut your carbon emissions, lower your energy consumption, and reduce your waste, you can help stop global warming. We can all play a role together. Together, we can save our planet.